Role of school, teacher, and community to promote quality of education. Pechar. For Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. Role of school, teacher, and community to promote quality of education. Introduction. Quality education is the key to a child's success and the progress of a country. In order to provide good quality education in schools, the combined efforts of the school, teachers, and the community are very important. They all play different but equally important roles in making sure that children learn in a better and happier environment. 1. Role of the school in promoting quality education. A. Providing basic facilities. A school must have good classrooms, clean toilets, safe drinking water, playgrounds, and libraries. In India, many rural schools are being improved under schemes like Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. B. Creating a positive learning environment. The school should be child friendly, safe, and free from fear and discrimination. Students should feel happy and secure so they can learn better. C. Encouraging co-curricular activities. Schools should focus not only on academics but also on sports, music, drawing, debates, etc. to develop the overall personality of the child. D. Proper school management. Effective school leadership, headmaster principal, ensures proper planning, discipline, and motivation of staff. Regular monitoring improves performance. E. Using digital tools and technology. Schools should promote smart classes, audiovisual learning, and digital platforms like Diksha and ePathshala. 2. Role of the teacher in promoting quality education. A. Being well trained and skilled. A teacher must have proper subject knowledge, teaching methods, and communication skills. In India, TET, Teacher Eligibility Test, and in-service training help in improving teacher quality. B. Making learning interesting and easy. Good teachers use activity-based, child-centered, and interactive methods to make lessons easier and more fun. C. Caring and motivating students. A teacher should support every child, especially slow learners, and motivate them to do better. D. Using inclusive practices. Teachers must treat all students equally, including those from poor, tribal, or differently abled backgrounds. This promotes equality and social harmony. E. Continuous assessment. Teachers should assess students not only through exams but also through regular feedback and observation, CC continuous and comprehensive evaluation. 3. Role of the community in promoting quality education. A. Involving parents in school activities. Parents must attend PTMs, parent-teacher meetings, and take interest in their child's learning. Their involvement improves student attendance and performance. B. Forming school management committees, SMCs. Under the RTE Act 2009, every government school must have an SMC with parents, teachers, and local people. They check school work, funds use, and help improve quality. C. Supporting poor and needy children. Local communities can help provide school bags, books, uniforms, or scholarships for poor students. D. Promoting education awareness. Community members can encourage education, especially for girl children and children from backward areas. They can stop child marriage and child labor by supporting school enrollment. E. Organizing local resource persons. Local experts, farmers, artists, workers can be invited to schools to share real-life knowledge and skills with children. Indian government initiatives involving school, teacher community. Right to education, RT, Act 2009 ensures free education and community involvement in schools. Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan improves school infrastructure, teacher training, and digital learning. National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 promotes community participation, foundational literacy, and holistic learning. Vidyanjali scheme encourages volunteers and retired persons from the community to support school education. Conclusion: to improve the quality of education, the school, teacher, and community must work together as a team. The school provides structure, teachers guide and teach, and the community supports and encourages. In India, this joint effort is especially important in rural and backward areas where quality education is still a challenge. With everyone's cooperation, we can create schools where every child learns with joy, confidence, and success.